my channel. If you are new to this space, welcome. My name is Monet and some know me as MsCreativeDiva. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back. Y'all, today I'm just going to jump right into this video. I am working with XRS Beauty. I will put all their information down below. You know, I already got y'all. I did go ahead and add my own band in there. As you can see, there's not too much space on the sides. So you definitely would either be wearing a middle part or just kind of no part or side part. So let's go ahead and get into it, girl. Y'all know I typically use my bedhead TGI. What is this? TG hard head spray. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to use my bedhead spray and spray that on the hairline. You guys know that I typically use this spray and only this spray. It just kind of works for me. Even when I'm out, and I've tested it like in the humidity, and it works. Now, if you are somebody who wears your units for like maybe 3-4 days, you may want to look at something else. But honestly, I've put this on and literally can wrap my hair up and still wear the wig the next day. So it just depends on how well you secure your unit and also how well you wrap it. And also just wanted to share with you guys the things that came into in the box with the wig. So they gave us a comb. We got a little, I call it a little edge brush. And things like that, and then also a band, which I think was great and beginner friendly. And I'm just taking the wig out of the box, just kind of looking at the hairline. I always like to inspect my units, just making sure everything is good. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and got the band on. I'm getting ready just to put a little bit of this, well, not a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and put this wax stick on my hair just so I can kind of see what I want to do with it. Guys, I know a lot of you guys are into like a lot of natural styles. Some of y'all don't want long lengths. You're looking for something that is good work, especially if you don't have a lot of time. Now, with this unit, it is 12 inches. And I was trying to figure out why this hair was so full. So the density is 200%. Because it came straight, as you can see, like the straight, you know, the straightness back here. And so y'all see, like, it's really, really easy to get this hair to go straight. Or if you are a person that is like me and you do like to have a lot of edge space, I would definitely recommend some of their other units. But I will have to say, as far as like the hairline and the texture of the hair, it is very, very nice. Like, it's super, super soft. It's definitely giving great quality. And then also with the lace, I did not even tint it. So I really tried, you guys. I tried to kind of work with how the unit was. Just so that way I can show you guys that you don't have to do it. But y'all know me. It says you're supposed to wait for about 2 minutes and the hair will start crinkling up. So I can already see, like, you can see it starting to curl up. Y'all see how big it's getting now, so that's why it just scares me a little bit. So she is going to definitely put some curl products on this just to kind of tame it. And y'all know I'll put my curl products down below, y'all. It's really my staple, especially like the mousse that I use with curly hair, because it literally just allows me to go throughout any type of weather without my hair getting big. I do not like big curly hair, but if you was a fan of it, then you know. So this is how it looks with just the water on it, and I'm getting ready to put some curl products, and then I'm gonna kind of see where I want my part to be. So next I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this Curl Renew reactivating milk spray. I'm only using this because the hair itself came straight at first, and so I just want to kind of use a different product, because I always use, y'all always see the other one, I can't even think of the name. But I'm pretty consistent with my products. I'm one of them people that if something works, I'm going to go ahead and continue to use it. There is no need for me to go search for something and be disappointed. Like, I'm just one of those people. So I've been using this. I don't use this all the time though. This is not like, this is a go-to, but not like my #1 choice. But like it in the middle part, so I feel like I'm gonna kind of play around with it. I really want like more of a feminine, I say feminine, but I don't know, I just want something else. So I'm gonna take away this part, and I feel like I'm gonna have to put a little bit of foundation. I said I'm gonna take away the part, but we're gonna see. I feel like I'm gonna have to do a little foundation on my lace itself, just to get it the way I want it. So I went ahead and added my mousse just for my finishing touches through the hair, just to kind of keep it tame so it doesn't get too big. In this case, I did not tip my lace, but I still need a little bit of foundation or just some powder on my frontal right here. But overall, I will say this is a low maintenance unit. You definitely can wear it straight to curly, and you're supposed to be able to straighten it as many times as you want. And then it's still supposed to maintain its curl and everything. So let me know what you guys think of this unit. Is y'all feeling the bob? Y'all like a middle part, or is y'all like a side part? I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to kind of play around with it still, because I'm still unsure. Taking just a little bit of foundation, I'm just gonna put that like right here, pretty much like where I took my makeup off at, and then kind of I'm purposely putting it on my lace just to make sure everything blends in. Yeah, I actually really like how that looks. Like, so you could just add a little bit of concealer. Now I probably will go back in and make this part a little bit thicker, well, not, you know, like a little bit bigger, by just plucking the lace. I feel like it's definitely beginner friendly. If you are looking for something that doesn't take too much time, or something that's just very versatile, you're definitely going to get your money's worth with this unit, because you're able to wear it straight, you're able to wear it curly, and the curls pop back. Some curly units, when you do straighten it, it does loosen the curl. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you have not, be sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I will check y'all in my next one later.